Boy, do I want to thank my subscriber for sending this article along to me. This is really important, guys. I hope that every one of you circulates this far and wide. This explains what we are all experiencing today with those humans in our life. When we try to engage them in conversation, that includes facts and evidence. And when we start talking facts and evidence, they glaze over, their eyes glaze over, they become hostile or zombified or something. Well, scientists have discovered a powerful new strain of fact-resistant humans who are threatening the ability of Earth to sustain life. But it's a new study. The research was conducted by the University of Minnesota, and the researchers identified a virulent strain of humans who are virtually immune to any form of verifiable knowledge, leaving the scientists at a loss as how to combat them. But more worryingly, one of the researchers, Logsdon, he said, as facts have multiplied, their defenses against those facts have only grown more powerful. Scientists have no clear understanding of the mechanism that prevent the fact-resistant humans from absorbing data, but they theorize that the strain may have developed the ability to intercept and discard information en route from the auditory nerve to the brain. The normal functions of human consciousness have been completely nullified. While reaffirming the gloomy assessments of the study, this researcher, Logsdon, he holds out hope that the threat of fact-resistant humans could be mitigated in the future. And that's really good. He said, our research is very preliminary, but it's possible that they will become more receptive to facts once they are in an environment without food, water, or oxygen. This instills hope in me. I hope it instills hope in you. So there's a real kind of biological reason why we are suddenly facing so many humans. And they simply can't have just normal adult conversation like we used to. There's a problem between the auditory nerve and the brain. But here the researchers are giving you a possible cure. And I think the only thing that we can do is to find some secluded room with no windows. And we'll take the fact-resistant humans that you have in your life, put them in the room, don't feed them or give them any water, close the door, and seal the cracks, around the door frame. And that will slowly deprive them of oxygen. And I don't know how long you keep them in there. Keep them in there for a while. And then when you open the door, if they're not dead, take them out, sit them down, and then just begin to have a conversation with them. Introduce facts and evidence, do it slowly, but see what their response is. And if they don't become suddenly like zombified, if they don't become hostile, if they actually respond, and I'm sure a lot of you remember what it used to be like to have those conversations. Well, based on your memory, if they respond like that, voila, we should get in touch with these researchers and let them know that's the cure. So please circulate this. This is really important information. Boy, I'm feeling much better already.